spending our New Year's at the InterContinental Hotel. We are at the Winter Chalet. It's pretty slow, right? You've been doing that for like 10 minutes.
I think it's ready to go.
Oh, it's ready? Oh, it looks good. I want to get more marshmallows. And this is the hot chocolate. Yummy.
Yeah, I want to try that.
You want to try it? Some marshmallows, some Hershey chocolate, some biscotti.
Yeah.
Babe, this is taking a while for the marshmallow. It's not even brown yet. Can we turn up the heat?
Nope.
Really? Was yours like crispy enough?
It was alright, but mine still got brown on the end. You have to like do it longer.
I like it when it's like well done, you know?
It's not the same as a real fire.
Oh, really? I thought they would add like some chocolate sauce. It's not the same when the chocolate's not melted, right?
That's why I never really like s'mores, because the chocolate doesn't really melt.
Really?
How are you supposed to melt the chocolate? You don't. It's just the marshmallow that's roasted. That's why roasted marshmallows are better alone.
But when the marshmallow is warm and hot, it melts the chocolate.
It doesn't melt it that much. The chocolate's thicker than the marshmallow, so it doesn't really do that.
What if this falls?
Don't lose it.
Do you guys ever have s'mores too? When you guys go to the cottage? You don't have s'mores? Oh, I gotta bring these guys.
We have beer.
Beer? You guys don't roast the marshmallows ever?
It's for children, baby. I'm glad you're still a child, though.
Are you? I used to always like doing this as a kid, like getting roasted marshmallows.
But where did you have a fire?
We'd go camping.
You went camping?
Yeah. At school, we would go camping. I even have a picture of me, like when I was a little girl, roasting marshmallows and stuff by the fire. That was the best part about camping.
You want some hot chocolate? It's so sweet.
Is it really sweet? Yeah, they make really sweet hot chocolate.
Do you want some?
Hmm?
Do you want it?
No, last time I did my own toppings, like over there. You could do that, you know. It's more golden now, but I feel like I want to roast it more.
Oh, I think it's ready. It looks pretty golden on that side.
Is it ready?
You can go a bit longer.
It will taste better when it's golden, like more golden and more crispy, right, baby?
Yeah. This hot chocolate is really chocolatey. Holy. I'm only halfway done. I feel like I'm eating dessert.
Really?
You want some?
Maybe later.
She's lying, guys. She's not gonna have it.
Well, I'm busy.
Okay, baby. It's really brown. I think you should make it.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, it's ready. But what about this part?
No, it doesn't matter. It's milky, baby. Make it.
So did you eat both your cookies or just one?
Yeah, you put it in the middle. You don't know how to make s'mores, baby?
I do, but sometimes I feel like the 2 cookies is too much, you know?
It was good, baby. Just make sure the chocolate's in the middle.
You gotta squish it. Squish it. So the chocolate didn't melt. Time to try the s'more. Babe, why do I love this so much? Two marshmallows is better than one. Happy holidays, everyone. We're at the club lounge. We're here for the holidays. Today they have sushi. This is the room that we're staying at. We got the CN Tower view. We will be watching the fireworks from here. Cute teddy bears. Which teddy bear is the cutest? Oh, there's one teddy bear right here.
I'm the cutest teddy bear.
Baby's the cutest teddy bear. Baby, how come you look like a teddy bear right now?
Because you told me to. Who are you kidding?
I know. Doesn't he look like a teddy bear, guys? Soft like a teddy bear.
Touch me.
So soft, my baby.
Thank you.
Soft. Teddy bears. And this is the cutest teddy bear. Baby, how come you're so soft? Huh? How come you're so soft? My baby. Ooh, soft.
I'm softer, right? I'm a better feel.
Happy New Year, everyone. Wow, the fireworks are so beautiful. Brand new year 2026. So excited. Beautiful fireworks right in front of our hotel. It's a brand new year.
What are you gonna do? Kiss the teddy bear?
I can't kiss the teddy bear. You get too jealous. This is my holiday outfit.
Right.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Oh, she touched me when she said